Hi, welcome to my channel. Day 43 of 3 words and expressions of 100 day. Follow me to learn 小吃、烧烤、做饭。The first one, 小吃。小吃。means snack. 小吃。小。吃。小 small. 吃 eat. 小吃 snack. The yummy snack. 好吃的小吃。Next one, 烧烤 barbecue. 烧烤烧烤 means barbecue. I like barbecues. 我喜欢烧烤。火字旁。烤，火字旁。barbecue 烧烤。The third one for today, 做饭。我做夫安饭。做饭 means cooking. 做饭。I cook sometimes, but not so often. 我偶尔做饭。做饭。人字旁。饭。cooking. 小吃 snack. 烧烤 barbecue. 做饭 cooking. Okay, that's all for today. Let me know what do you want to add in your own DIY Chinese dictionary in a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Goodbye.